So we do live in a patriarchal society. There's no running away from that. Is there a difference being made? Yes. Is there a change? Yes. Is it enough? No. Audience is king, yaar. Audience जो देखेगी वही बनेगा, because the whole entire game is of demand and supply.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You are tuned into peepingmoon.com, and today we have with us someone very special on our best of 2020. If I have to give the most simplistic introduction for her, it is Chota Packet and very very bada dhamaka, बहुत ही बड़ा वाला. So let's get Shweta Tripathi. I would say rather bada dhamaka. What is up to with you, Shweta? मतलब ऐसे suddenly it's fireworks all over wherever you are. क्या चल रहा है?
Thank you so much, Ekto, for that lovely introduction. I think मेरी हमेशा ट्राई वही रहता है कि जितना है जो भी है उसमें कुछ करके जाओ. I think that is extremely important, be it life, be it on screen, personally or professionally. That आपको जितना भी एक लाइन मिल रही है या एक मिनट मिल रहा है, whatever you can, वो अपना दे दो. वो कहते हैं ना, लिविंग इन द नाउ. ये लॉकडाउन ने मुझे बहुत ही सिखाया है कि लिव इन द नाउ. So I'm just trying to implement that any and everywhere.
Shweta, we know that 2020 hasn't been one of the kindest years. We all have been through predominantly a lot of changes around us. But has it also changed you as an artist, or was it more of an awareness or an awakening sort of year for you? Or just maybe, I won't say the same, but yes, a certain level of changes you also experienced?
Um, 2020, what 2020 has done, I think in all of our lives, सबसे ज़्यादा it's this the Zoom calls that have happened.
Zoom calls.
मतलब इतनी सारी meetings, reading, narrations होते थे जो in person होता था. I shot an entire show, The Gone Game, at home. My husband shot all my scenes. But इस सबको side रखते हुए, I think what has happened is that I practice gratitude a lot more now. चाहे वो छोटी चीज हो, बड़ी चीज हो, what I've realized is that खुशी बड़ी छोटी नहीं होती है, खुशी खुशी होती है. So no matter how thin that silver lining might be, it's very important to hold on to that. And it's important to celebrate and enjoy those smaller joys in life, because जो बड़ी खुशियां होती है वो तो होती रहेंगी. Also to live in the now यार, हम हमेशा सोचते हैं ना कि जब ये होगा तब हम ये करेंगे, जब मैं जाऊँगी, बड़ा घर, गाड़ी, पता नहीं क्या-क्या जो सबके सपने होते हैं, जब ये हो जाएगा तब हम ये करेंगे. सो 2020 हैज़ मेड मी रियलाइज़ कि जब वो सब होगा, वो होगा. अभी आप क्या करने वाले हैं? सो एक वो कहते हैं ना ठहराव, वो ठहराव कहीं न कहीं आ गया है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड सैटिस्फाइड विद what I okay, not satisfied. I'm always hungry for more, but at the same time, yes, I'm satisfied with the kind of work I'm doing, what is happening. I'm not in a rush. Yes, I love to be busy. I love to work. I love my job, but I'm not going to rush into anything because, oh my God, I need to make money or I need to do something with my time. So, in fact, from today, I'm starting my dance classes. I've started working out because I've also realized that mental and physical health, it goes hand in hand. So ये सारी चीजें, बुक्स पढ़ना मैंने वापस स्टार्ट किया है, क्योंकि बॉम्बे में ना एक बज है, एक पल्स है बॉम्बे की, which where you feel कि आप बॉम्बे में चिल कर रहे हो तो कुछ गलत है. कि मैं चिल क्यों कर रही हूँ, मुझे तो काम करना है. एंड आई जस्ट वेंट टू कसौली for a family holiday, and that's where I realized the importance of a holiday. It's very important to just keep your phone, your laptops, your screens away, and just be one with nature, with your family, with your friends, and enjoy that. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि other thoughts don't come to my mind, but वो you have to learn how to calm it. You have to realize that आपके वो जो principles हैं, आपने जो भी बनाए अब तक, how many years you've lived, and especially 2020, it is difficult, but you have to stick by them, because then if you're at peace, if you're happy, then everything will, um, it'll give you the strength to face anything better.
That's so sweet. Shweta, you of course have shot an entirely a series at home when I think we all were just trying to understand ki ho and how even the content will move ahead. And by the time we could get over from that hangover, you just totally took over with Mirzapur. I mean, that was probably one of the biggest, if I have to sum it in one line, that was one of the biggest wave. Nobody
Hmm.
thought it coming because you also know that seasons in India, second seasons are always, they are looked with a
Hmm.
very skeptical eye, ki kaisa hoga, will they be able to live up to the hype? But you people just killed it. Why I talk about you especially, and of course all the other women in Mirzapur, I would have to give credit. I think they were one of the best written, delicious parts. Nobody was trying to justify that I have to be a certain type of sister or a certain
Hmm.
type of sibling. There was so
Hmm.
much to it. If I have to, I know it's wrong to ask, but if I have to ask you to give me a favorite, either of the two, or if nothing, if you could shed me light on the both the parts, it was like a day and a night, like totally different. One was so optimistic, and the other was hellbent on revenge. Like I have to, blood for blood.
So the reason I did season one was for season two, because I knew when you take these two characters who are so loved and who are so integral, was such an integral part of the storytelling. So Golu kuch na kuch to karegi. And I like to play characters which are far, far away from who I am. So season one ki Golu, I could still relate to it because there was the moral compass was similar.
Exactly.
कि वायलेंस नहीं अच्छा है, कि अगर किसी कुछ गलती है तो किसी का सही दूसरे का गलत और दूसरे का सही किसी और का गलत तो हो ही सकता है. Like there are, I learn a lot from my characters and I think they are in many situations way stronger than me. So Golu ka bhi season 2, it just, I felt so lost and confused, and I feel so bad for Golu because of how her life has changed. Two people that she loved the most have been taken away from her. वो कहते हैं ना, छीन लिया गया. तो छीन लिया गया वो गोलू से. And then she was left in an arena where she has no expertise. उसको नहीं पता यहाँ क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. बाहुबली is everywhere. गुड्डू is falling in love. आप ये देख रहे हो, आपका कोई दोस्त ही नहीं है. So it was one of the most challenging and complex characters that I've played, and I guess that's why one of the closest characters to my heart. And I can't wait to know what happens in season 3, because it's like you're that friend ki ab iska kya hoga, ab ye kya karegi. So जैसे ही वो स्क्रिप्ट मिली है, I just keep thinking, I keep discussing with our director and writer as well कि what will Golu do, क्योंकि वो जो चाहिए था, वो जो रिवेंज चाहिए था, वो मिल गया है. And now, so again coming back to life also, that you think that ये चाहिए आपको जिंदगी से, जब आपको मिल जाता है, then suddenly you're like, oh, अब मैं क्या करूं, how am I supposed to behave now, because this is everything I imagined, this is everything I wanted. So and even the other women, yeah, I just feel so happy that everybody in Mirzapur is so secure. जब हम एक दूसरे के सीन्स भी देखते थे डबिंग के टाइम पे, we used to feel happy and proud कि इसने भी छक्का मारा है, इसने भी छक्का मारा है. कभी ये नहीं था कि oh my god इसने बेटर किया है, या ये तो ये सीन खा जाएगा. Even the new characters, they are so bloody fabulous that Mirzapur is as they say, Mirzapur is an emotion, and that for us, so it truly is.
But Shweta, you have come from that school of acting, probably from the very first day of your career, where you, I don't think, have ran after that. I have to play the central lead. If I have to go with your trajectory, be it on OTT or the films, uh, it has been always the part, like the part, how the part has to look like. So, is it? I do think like even this year has strengthened. I think most of the actors have said it. Now we are finally at a position where we don't call it a female-centric lead anymore, we call it a good part. It is nothing about gender anymore. Like who is doing what. If a girl has to pick a gun, a girl has to pick a gun. Period. Like you don't have to justify it. You think we're at a position as an actors where you don't have to justify कि ये gender centric है कि नहीं है.
I think अभी भी है वो, there is a change. वो आ रहा है, लेकिन द थिंग इज, जब तक वो सोसाइटी में जहाँ हम रहते हैं वो चेंज नहीं आएगा ना, वो स्क्रीन पर नहीं आएगा. इट गोज हैंड इन हैंड. So we do live in a patriarchal society. There's no running away from that. Is there a difference being made? Yes. Is there a change? Yes. Is it enough? No. क्योंकि वो सिर्फ स्क्रीन पे हमारी कहानियों पे चेंज नहीं है, वो हमें अपने घरों में वो चेंज लाना पड़ेगा, विद आवर फ्रेंड्स, विद आवर फैमिली, with how people look and think and respect women. So I think it will take time, and at the same time I would love to see not only just actors, female writers, musicians, directors, all these people we can count on our fingertips. तो ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि talented women नहीं है, तो या तो मतलब ये पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है, सो देयर इज डेफिनेटली दे आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी चॉइस, अ चॉइस और अ वॉइस टू वो क्या कहते हैं उसको, ब्लॉसम करना होता है ना, तो आई थिंक वो ब्लॉसम करना उनको, वो हमें जरूरत है वो पानी की, सॉइल की, एक प्लांटर देने की, वो सारी वील हैव टू कीप डूइंग इट टिल द टाइम वी सी अ चेंज. So, but any change, thankfully, it is in motion. It is more than it was before. And audience is king, yaar. Audience जो देखेगी वही बनेगा, because the whole entire game is of demand and supply. So if you don't watch cinema or projects which are जो so called indie होते हैं या फिर female centric होते हैं, तो वो नहीं बनेंगी. So it's my sincere request to the audience कि आप please अच्छा कंटेंट देखो, क्योंकि आप जब एक व्यू देते हो, जब आप कोई भी प्ले करते हो कुछ, दैट्स लाइक वोटिंग. क्योंकि जो आप सबसे ज्यादा व्यू करोगे, जो आप सबसे ज्यादा वोट करोगे जिसके लिए, उस टाइप का कंटेंट पड़ेगा. सो इफ यू हैव, इफ देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ storytelling, or if there's a genre that you like, then please go ahead and speak about it, because OTT especially now, word of mouth बहुत जरूरी होता है. तो हम तो हमारी कोशिश हमेशा यही रहती है कि we get something fresh and new for the audience, and fingers are always crossed that they like it and they appreciate it.
Shweta, I have to ask you, if quickly you have to give me what's Shweta's watch list this year? This year, what have you seen? Or maybe something you couldn't get time, but you are definitely saving it. Like listeners are saving best for the last. That ke dekhna hai. This is definitely. But what's something, some of the work which we have watched? It can be anything. It's on a web series or in films, which you really love.
So as of now, I'm watching The Undoing, which is on Hotstar. I'm on the third episode. One show that I am fully obsessed with, जिसकी music मैं सुनती रहती हूँ, that is The Queen's Gambit. I think it's a brilliant show. The way it's been shot, the costumes, makeup, मतलब performance and writing and direction की तो मैं बात ही नहीं कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि वो तो oh my god. And you know, it feels so good when you see that all departments have done a 10 on 10 job, and also money has been put in, where it the quality of that show, everything from a tablecloth to the words coming out of her mouth, they are so fabulous yaar. Itna acha lagta hai aisa काम देख के. So The Queen's Gambit is right up there in my all time favorite shows. Actually, I have not been watching a lot. I just I think because everybody was talking about it, binge watching हो रही थी, सभी कर रहे थे, तो somehow वो मैंने वो disconnect हो गया मेरा. So the work that I have seen this year is Cargo, is Raat Akeli Hai, is Mirzapur, and Laghu Shankar. There's a short film, very sweet short film. I'm not saying that because I'm in it, but it's on Sony Live. Please, it's just 14 minutes long. And जब भी आपको time मिले, you should watch it. But yeah, if there's one show that I can recommend to anybody, it is definitely hands on The Queen's Gambit.
Uh, I have to bring it before I say any end to this. Shweta, what you and Vikrant, and of course the makers did with Cargo, trust me, in all of our interviews, that has been one of the favorites for the fact that the treatment was something which even audience were not expecting. It was a kind of concept. Of course, I'm not saying that you don't think that kind of concept, but to bring it to
Hmm.
life, to
Hmm.
take you into a space and a spaceship, and you know, uh, it was lovely. Were you even worried ever that, or did you ever think that are we ready for this? Like, or do you think that OTT has been that instrument which has readied all of us for the kind of content which maybe we also somewhere sit down from the West, because everyone also see something amazing, and I really love Cargo for the fact that it was not what I thought it would be. To be honest, this was
Hmm.
even when I
Hmm.
watched the trailer, I thought, maybe 10 minutes ka hoga, 15 minute ka hoga, so zyada what TV show in spaceship. But when you have a full film, and how was it? Like, because that is one work of yours I would love to discuss with you.
So for me, I stopped worrying once I've said yes. Because once you say yes, you need to believe in the director, in here in Aarti, because Aarti Kadam is a director, in her vision. And there is nobody, no storyteller, no director, writer I've met like Aarti, because she thinks in space. She thinks out of the box. She thinks out of this world, actually. So because she loves science fiction, and what is amazing about her is that her belief in it. So it's a journey, and एक बार आप जब हाथ मिला लेते हो ना director के साथ, then you trust the person, and obviously there are discussions, there might be arguments, but you all are working towards a common goal. So cargo ke liye, I was not worried at all. In fact, I was very excited because I wanted the world to see that it's a very low budget film. So if you have a dream, yes, it is difficult. But if you have the right people with you, time lagega. But aapko mauka zarur milega. You can't give up in life. And Aarti is also, she's had so many struggles. In fact, Yuki, her daughter, was, I think, a few years old when we were shooting for Cargo. And एक दिन हमारा day shift हुआ था. We shot for I think 32 hours. And she left her daughter behind, and it's not easy. It's not easy at all. So then you feel कि what are you complaining about? तुम्हें acting करनी है. यहाँ पे there is a mother who's left her child behind because of because she loves what she's making and creating. And yes, we are creating it for ourselves, but we are making it for the audience. So there's a lot of, वो कहते हैं ना कि आपके projects आपके बच्चे होते हैं. वो झूठ नहीं है, वो सच है. Because you give your heart, your soul, everything, sweat, blood, सब कुछ जाता है. So Cargo के लिए I was always very excited because I knew there will be people will understand. The audience, thanks to OTT, like you rightly said, that they are much more. अब पूरी दुनिया आपका मेन्यू है. आपको जो वॉच करना है वो ये नहीं जो सिर्फ थिएटर में आ रहा है, या फिर जो आपके देश में या स्टेट में प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. आपका नार्कोस है जो कि स्पेन में बन रहा है. आपका मनी हाइस्ट है. तो मतलब सब कुछ पूरी दुनिया का है आपके पास. सो आई थिंक now is a great time to be a part of the industry, not only as an actor, as a creator, but also as an audience. So I've told Aarti that I would love to be a part of any and every project that she does, because she literally makes me, there's so much you learn. And हम अपनी दुनिया में रहते हैं ना, फिर वो अपनी दुनिया से जब आप बाहर निकलते हो तो आपको लगता है अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है, वो भी हो सकता है. So you keep exploring, and which I think I'm very blessed to be doing something that I love doing, being an actor. क्योंकि your learning doesn't stop, and that's how life should be.
And lastly, Shweta, I know it's hype. आपने इतना काम नहीं देखा, but still, let's try. If 2020 में there was one role you would have loved to hypothetically steal and do, like, hey, I'll do it. First contender, please sign me. Was there a role you would have loved to steal and do? Any role. It can be any
Yes,
part.
Beth Harmon's role in the Queen's Gambit. Oh, it has my heart. Please, 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 please. Like really, I've told the universe कि ये तो, and my husband is obsessed with chess. तो मैं हर जगह chess हो रहा है. In fact, I'm going to be starting chess classes soon, because I think it's very important. Again, वो physically fit रहना, but mentally fit भी रहना. And chess is something, you are, पापा मेरे हमेशा कहते थे कि दिमाग में ना जंग लग जाती है अगर आप दिमाग को यूज नहीं करते हो. So I want to start learning how to play chess, and fingers crossed.
Let the universe conspire and land you
Yes,
something which we can have
please.
our chess moment with you. But thank you, Shweta. I mean, I hope, as you said, next time the Zoom meeting se nikal ke we can do it in person.
Please,
I
that's
hope the
another
next year
request.
is,
Yes.
yeah, we are hoping the everyone heals soon around us and we can meet next and we can have more good content from you. Don't stop, please. And I am eagerly waiting what new you have to bring, because with you now at least I have realized that it's never going to be simple. It's always going to be bada dhamaka. So I'm waiting for another big, big, big blast from your end.
Thank you so much. There's one thing that I want to say to everybody who's watching this, who's listening to this, is that we have to take care of this planet. ये हमारा घर है यार. So be it with plastic, be it electricity, आप off करना जब आप use नहीं करो, छोटी छोटी चीजें, they don't take much time or effort. So please let's join hands and let's take care of the planet, क्योंकि कितना दिया है nature ने हमें. So I'm sure like simple things that I do. I carry my own water everywhere, so I don't have to buy that plastic bottle. क्योंकि good plastic and bad plastic भी होता है. तो अगर आप वो जितना खरीदते हो, आप जितना फेंकते हो ना, वो पूरा कचरा जाता है, और ये कचरा कहाँ जाएगा? ये दुनिया में ही रहता है. इवन चाहे कपड़े हों या प्रोडक्ट्स हों, आप जब तक अगर आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है, प्लीज़ मत खरीदो. आई नो बहुत मज़ा आता है शॉपिंग करने में, बट अगर आप कोई भी चीज़ नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हो, गिव इट टू समबडी, डोनेट इट समवेयर जहाँ पे वो इस्तेमाल करेंगे. ट्रस्ट मी, देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ जॉय दैट यू विल स्प्रेड व्हेन यू गिव अवे थिंग्स दैट others might utilize more than you. So please, एक तो ये रिक्वेस्ट है, एक दूसरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि कोविड अभी भी है, तो प्लीज बी केयरफुल for yourself, for your family members, and as a society I think we all have to be responsible. So अगर आपको कोविड हो भी चुका है तो फिर भी आप मास्क पहने रहो, और अगर थोड़ी भी बीमारी है तो just take care of yourself, and let's make 2021 a happy, healthy and safe year for all of us.
Thank you so much, Shweta. Thank you. This has been really, really kind on your part. And I really hope to see you soon and on the screen. Thank you for your time.
Absolutely. Thank you, Ankita. Bye. See you. And Merry
Bye.
Christmas and Happy New Year.
Same to you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.